Kuala Lumpur, a dynamic city that blends modern skyscrapers with historical charm. It is the capital of Malaysia and the country's largest city, boasting a bustling economy and a multicultural population. The Petronas Towers pierce the skyline, a symbol of modern Malaysia. Today, however, I am going to one of the oldest historical and heritage site in Malaysia, the iconic Batu Caves, a place steeped in Hindu mythology. As I steered my rented car out of the bustling city centre, the skyline is replaced by lush greenery and glimpses of distant hills. Soon, signs for Batu Caves appeared, guiding me off the main road and onto smaller, winding streets.
Turn left.
The landscape transformed with garland shops lining the road, their colourful facades a vibrant contrast to the surrounding. The air crackled with a vibrant energy as I stepped into Batu Caves complex. The morning sun beat down on the throngs of people milling about, creating a kaleidoscope of color against the towering limestone cliffs. A cacophony of sounds filled the air. Above it all, reigned the golden majesty of the Murugan statue, its spear pointing defiantly towards the sky. To its left, a long line of devotees snaked its way towards the base of the 272 steps, their faces etched with determination and devotion. Nearby, a group of children chased a flock of pigeons across the plaza. Tourists with their cameras zoomed in on the intricate details of the statues, while others preferred to have their photos taken by an on-site photographer. Each participant in their own way contributed to the unique energy that pulsed through the heart of the Batu Caves complex. Under a makeshift tent, a different kind of preparation unfolded. Devotees sat patiently as barbers wielding gleaming razors shaved their heads. Each shaved head symbolized a sacrifice, a shedding of ego and worldly concerns before approaching the sacred caves. The climb up the steps of Batu Caves is a test of faith and resilience. Some choose to walk the steps, while others, driven by an unwavering faith, opted for a more arduous path. They inched their way up on their hands and knees, carrying with them a pot filled with fresh milk, an offering for the deity. Halfway up the steps, I paused to take in the view. The city stretched out before me, a tapestry of trees and skyscrapers. Below, families with young children climbed steadily. Batu Caves boasts a rich history that intertwines with nature, indigenous people, and religious significance. Limestone rock formations themselves are estimated to be around 400 million years old. The indigenous Temuan people, also known as Orang Asli, are believed to have used the cave entrances as shelters for centuries. Chinese settlers discovered the caves in 1860s and began mining guano, a type of bed droppings used as fertilizers. The caves remained relatively unknown until 1878, when they were documented by colonial authorities and an American naturalist, William Temple Hornaday. This brought them to the wider world's attention. A key figure in Batu Caves history is K. Tamusami Pillai, a prominent Indian Tamil trader. Legend has it that he was inspired by the cave entrance's resemblance to the spear of Lord Murugan, a Hindu deity. In 1891, he constructed the first Hindu temple within the caves. This marked the beginning of Batu Caves' transformation into a significant Hindu pilgrimage site. The following year, in 1892, the first Thaipusam festival was observed at Batu Caves. Thaipusam is a vibrant Hindu festival dedicated to Lord Murugan, and it's now a major event that draws hundreds of thousands of devotees every year. Throughout the 20th century, the caves underwent various renovations and improvements. The most notable is likely the construction of the 272 concrete steps leading up to the temple cave in 1920 and 1940. Today, Batu Caves remains a vital center for Malaysian Hindus and a top tourist destination, attracting visitors worldwide for its religious significance, historical value, and stunning natural beauty. As I exited the cave, my heart brimmed with a newfound respect for the rich cultural tapestry of Malaysia. The Batu Caves were more than just a tourist attraction. They were a window into the soul of a nation, a place where faith, nature, and tradition beautifully intertwined.